Sabi pa nga ng chairman natin, narinig ko kanina, oh, Mr. Diskaya, kayo lahat na makipag-usap na kayo, baka sakaling mag-qualify kayo sa Witness Protection Program. Tama naman yun. Ang problema, Prosecutor Padulyon, ini-insist mo kasi yung restitution kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. Will you still insist on that?
Sir, we never mentioned that restitution is a condition. Paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi yon, Mr. Chair, na hindi po siya kondisyon para ang isang tao ay matanggap o makonsidera bilang isang witness under the Witness Protection
Tapos na
Program.
tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo dyan.
Kaya nga po, sinasagot ko po kayo na hindi ko po namin sinasabi. Wala po kami sinasabi na restitution is a condition. So I'm not insisting on it, sir.
Hindi mo sinasabi ngayon, but when you were talking about a memorandum, yun ang sinasabi mo, there, pwede naming ilagay yung restitution because it is a matter of good public policy. Ano namang klaseng, kaya nga nahihirapan sila eh. Yung Diskaya, to my mind, were the first to apply under the Witness Protection Program. Ang problema, ang sabi ng then Secretary of Justice, now Ombudsman, ay hindi naman basta-basta ganun. Kinakailangan isaulin ninyo yung ininakaw niyo. Ang problema po doon, kung wala namang wala namang korte pa pong nagsasabi kung talagang sila ay nagnakaw o nakapagnakaw, sino pong magkukwenta noon? Tapos ano yung in-explain ninyo under a certain paragraph of the law, merong memorandum na kung saan magkukomply sila doon, doon yung pinipilit yung restitution. And I think some of the potential witnesses that can be processed under that program, nagsipagbigay na ng kung ano-ano eh. Is that the truth?
Only those who have been admitted into the program actually returned or made the restitution, sir.
Why did they do that? They did that because it was their own initiative, or you required them to do that?
It was an agreement between the Department of Justice through the Secretary of Justice, sir, and the witness applicant po.
That is the problem. The agreement is based not on the provision of the WPP. Sabi ko nga, kung sinasabi ng WPP, it cannot be a condition. Kahit nasa memorandum, huwag mo ipipilit. Hindi po pwede yun eh. Kaya sinabi ko sa iyo earlier, and I think I should tell it again to you, sabi nating mga abogado, the spring cannot rise higher than its source. The law itself is the source. Ang spring, yung memorandum mo. Pinipilit mong ilagay sa memorandum yung restitution eh. O kaya merong ako nababalitaan, parang meron ng gustong umatras. Magkano ibibigay? At kanino ibibigay? Sino mag-a-account nun? Sino nagsabi nun na kung mangungulekta kayo sa DOJ? Di ba abuse of discretion yun, Mr. Padulyon?
No, it is not, sir.
What is it?
It is not abuse of discretion.
What
The
is
parties, if I may be allowed to answer,
Yes,
sir.
what is it?
Yes, sir. If the parties both agree to the terms and conditions contained in the memorandum of
But you
agreement,
cannot
there is no
impose an
abuse.
agreement. If you cannot impose an agreement which is not required by the law, especially if you will put restitution there. How can you do that?
Mr. Chairman, sir, yung restitution po, yung memorandum of agreement is a product of an agreement between both the Secretary of Justice, representing the DOJ and the WPP, and the witness applicant. Wala pong abuse doon kung pareho po sila nagkasundo. Paulit-ulit na po namin sinasabi na ito tayo, naghahanap tayo, naghahabol tayo doon sa mga taong nangurakot, tapos itong mga tao na umamin at handang magsoli, ayaw nating tanggapin yung kanilang sinosoli. Ano ho ang nakikitang mali doon? Para po sa amin, para ho maibsan kahit papano yung sakit at pagdurusa ng ating mga kababayan na nakikita nila na napakalaking pera ang nawala. Ano ho ba yung maibalik natin yung kaunti? And remember, Mr. Chair, if I may...
Do not preach to the choir.
No, I'm not preaching,
Sandali
Mr.
sandali lang. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, these people are supposed to be potential witnesses for the state. Kailangan tulungan natin ang Estado para ma-prosecute kung sino-sino ang dapat managot. Kaya nga natin sila ilalagdag. Mahirap ang gagawin nila. Malalagay sa alangin ang buhay nila. Kaya nga yung witness protection is for them. Sa title na title lang makikita mo, witness protection in interest para sa kanila yon. So yung memorandum of agreement, ayun ay dahilan lamang para masiguro mo na sila'y makikipag-cooperate. Kasi kahit na sila'y na-approve under the Witness Protection Program, but they will not cooperate based on the memorandum, pwede mo siyang i-discharge eh. Alam mo, the court can still do that. At saka yung final approval ng witness, state witness, nasa court yun eh. Huwag mong kukunin yun eh. Kaso, isinasama ninyo yung restitution. That is the problem. And I will object to that. Palaging mali yun eh. E paano yung kay Diskaya? Pinipilit ninyo na mag-restitute.